Hello, welcome to Tiếng Anh 12 I Learn Smart Word Grade 12. My name is Dennis and today I'm going to help you with Unit 3 Word of Work, Lesson 2.3 Pronunciation and Speaking. Please open your book to page 32 and then 33. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to notice and practice the sound changes when you link a consonant with a vowel. And after that, you will practice giving opinions about different jobs. Today's lesson will be divided into 4 main parts. Part 1, warm-up. Part 2, pronunciation. Part 3, speaking. And Part 4, wrap-up. Okay, let's start with our warm-up activity. So in this warm-up activity, we will practice sound changes. Please take a look at the phrases given in the box below. There are 6 phrases. Remember, you have a vowel followed by a vowel and you will put y in the middle. Now, can you practice them with me? A, 3 apples. Right? When you say it slowly, you say 3 apples. When you say it fast, you may say with a y in the middle, like 3 apples. 3 apples. 3 apples. Now, can you practice B? Say it. Good. I understand. I understand, right? You say fast. I understand. Now say A first. Good. B. How about C? Good. My opinion. Opinion. My opinion. My opinion. My opinion. A, 3 apples. B, I understand. C, my opinion. Now can you say that again? A, B, C. Great. How about D, please? Good. He opens. He opens. He opens. Now about E, we agree. We agree. And F, the orange. The orange. The orange. Now can say D again. E, F. Now repeat after me. A, 3 apples. B, I understand. C, my opinion. D, he opens. E, we agree. And F, the orange. You have done a very good job. Okay, now we practice pronunciation. You see, sound changes. So when a word ends with a consonant, and the next word starts with a vowel, we often move the final consonant to the next sound. Now you see good at. You see d and at. You see ending with d and beginning with right? And you often sound like this. Good at. Good at. Good at. Now can you make that? Very good. So now please listen and notice the sound changes of the underlined letters.
I think I should choose a job from this list. I don't think I would find it very interesting.
You see? I think I would find it. I would find it. Can you make them? Great. Now this time, listen and cross out the sentence that doesn't follow the note in task A.
I'm good at problem solving. I'd love to work on computers.
So, 1 or 2? In number 1, she say, good at. She doesn't link the sound, right? So you choose number 1. So this one, work on computers. How about D? Can you practice reading the sentences with the sound changes noted in task A to me? Now, number 1 here. I think I should choose a job from this list. Choose a, okay? I think I should choose a job from this list. Can you say it? Good. I don't think I would find it very interesting. Think I find it. I don't think I would find it very interesting. Say it. Now about this. Good at. I'm good at problem solving. Say it. And work on. Work on. I'd love to work on computers. Say it. Now, can you say them on by yourself? Number one. Number two. Number three. And number four. Very good. Now let's practice speaking. First, look at task A. Listen, then take turns asking and answering about the jobs using the prompt. Now listen first.
Would you like to be a receptionist?
No, I wouldn't. I think it would be a boring job. I wouldn't like working alone.
Do you think you'd be a good receptionist?
No, I don't. I'm confident, but I'm not organized.
So can you practice with the prompts with me here? See, receptionist. So you say, would you like to be a receptionist? Remember to raise your voice, huh? Would you like to be a receptionist? Would you like to be an architect? Would you like to be a bank manager? Now, can you say it with the raise in your tone? How about this? School counselor? Would you like to be a school counselor? Would you like to be a wedding photographer? Would you like to be an engineer? Can you say them out loud? So you see here, with a cross it means no. A tick it means yes. So you see here, would you like to be a receptionist? No, I wouldn't. Would you like to be an architect? Yes, I would. Would you like to be a bank manager? Yes, I would. Would you like to be a school counselor? Would you like to be a wedding photographer? Now ask me. Yes, I would. And after that, you give them a reason. I think it would be, you say more about that, right? I think it would be a boring job. I wouldn't like working alone. So, would you like to be a receptionist? Would you like to be an architect? Yes, I would. I think it would be an interesting job. I would enjoy drawing and planning. Now, can you ask me? Yes, I would. I think it would be a good job. I would like making lots of money. Would you like to be a school counselor? I would like helping a lot of children. Now ask me. No, I wouldn't. I think it would be a difficult job. I wouldn't like talking to people. And would you like to be an engineer? Yes, I would. I think it would be a cool job. I find it interesting. So, and you continue with the next question. Do you think you be a good receptionist? Do you think you be a good receptionist? Do you think you be a good architect? Do you think you be a good bank manager? How about this? How about this? How about this? Do you think you be the good engineer? Now you have the answer here, right? No, yes, 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 no, and yes. So you can see here. Do you think you be a good receptionist? No, I don't. I am confident, but I'm not organized. See here, no? Do you think you be a good architect? Yes, I do. I am good at designing things. Do you think you be a good bank manager? Yes or no? Yes, I do. I am good at working on a team. How about this? I ask and you answer, okay? Do you think you be a good school counselor? Next. Ask me, please. No, I don't. I think that I'm not creative. Do you think that you be a good engineer? Okay, so now can you make a conversation using this just like this? Now I ask for and you answer, okay? Would you like to be a receptionist? Do you think you'd be a good receptionist? Now you ask me. Yes, I would. I think it would be an interesting job. I enjoy drawing and planning things. Yes, I do. I'm good at designing things. Now I ask and you answer, okay? Would you like to be a bank manager? Do you think you'd be a good bank manager? Great. How about this? Can you ask me first? You ask. Yes, I would. I think it would be a great job. I would like to help a lot of children. Yes, I do. I am very caring and great at communication. Now I ask and you answer, okay? Would you like to be a wedding photographer? Do you think you'd be a good wedding photographer? Now please ask me for the last. Yes, I would. I think it would be a cool job. I and find things interesting. Yes, I do. I am very good at math. Now, would you like to be an English teacher? Do you think you'd be a good English teacher? Great. Now let's speak more. Would you be good at that? Now please change the topic in the conversation. A. In pairs. Look at the pictures and think of two more jobs you might like to be. Take turns asking and answering about each of the jobs, and if you think you would be good at them, give reasons for your ideas. For example, here you see lawyer, surgeon, electrician, software developer. How about this? My choice is an English teacher here and a singer. Okay, how about your choice? Now you will ask and answer like this. Would you like to be a lawyer? Yes, I would. I think it'd be a great job. I love helping people. Now ask me. No, I wouldn't. I think it'd be a terrifying job. You know, I am scared of blood. I ask you, okay? Would you like to be an electrician? Yes or no? And why? Okay, now ask me about this. No, I wouldn't. I think it would be a boring job. I don't like sitting in one place all day long. I love working outdoors. Would you like to be a singer? Okay. Now this time you work with me, and if I say the job that you like, it mean the same job. We have the same job, then you give the reason. Now take a look at this. I said that I'd most like to be an electrician. Me too. Why do you think that? Because I like working on my own. What about you? I like to be one because I like solving problems. Now, I say first and then you say second, okay? I say that I most like to be an electrician because I like working on my own. What about you? Now, you say first singer, okay? You say singer. Me too. What do you think that? I like to be a singer because I love singing and dancing. I love performing in front of lots of people. Now, you say first. We're talking about English teacher, okay? Me too. Why do you think that? I like to be an English teacher because I love English. We do C together. Which job would you like most to do, or which job do you think you will be best at and why? Can you ask me? As for me, I think I would be best at teaching English. I am good at English and I am good at communication. I can help people understand English easily. Now, how about you? Can you tell me which job you think you would be best at and why? Great. Okay, everybody, it's time to wrap up the lesson. So in this lesson, you learn pronunciation. You learn and practice linking sound, consonant, and vowel. You link them, right? And speaking, you practice speaking, asking, and answering questions related to job. You say about the job that you are good at and bad at, and you give the ideas about the job. That's it for today. Before we say goodbye, don't forget to do your homework. At home, try practice linking the sounds. You do writing on page 17 in your workbook, and remember to prepare for the next lesson, listening and reading pages 34 and 35 in your student book. And also, you can try playing the consolidation games on worldwideweb.a2home.com.vn. That's it for today. Goodbye and have a nice day.